So hey guys, for a while now I have not had to start the dually up because my brother was driving it on and off. But he may be waking up, I don't know. But just in case, I'm going to go ahead and start it and let it run for 5 minutes. And I may check the trash cans. And knowing this thing, it should start right up, no problem. We'll just have to see. And then I'll see how many miles are on it. Miles, but just so you guys know, the mileage is probably off by like 100,000. Because from what mine and my brother's dad has told me, the trip meter, no, the actual odometer reading has changed. Well, probably has rolled over once. So it started up. So I'll let it run till like 7 minutes and 10 seconds. In which the odometer reads 556, 850. And I think I just saw the trip meter's under 100 miles. So which means he has like 250 more miles he can put on it before we have to fill it back up. Which means we'll probably put another 85 gallons in the big tank so then it can go into the small tank because we have the lever pulled on it. Holy hell. And then today is Monday, June 29th. Well, fuck, I did not mean to silent notifications. Oh gosh, it says it's 91, feels like 108. Damn, that's hot. So which means soon this thing has less. Is 1,122 more miles till we have to get an oil change done on it again. It was done at tape 5, but my dad said he's probably going to take it to valve clean. Not my brother's dad, I mean. But yeah, this thing started no problem. But then I'll let it run for like 1 more minute and then I'm gonna shut it off. I just hope I get a call to where I can come in today. If they get busy enough. So they'll have me there just in case. Even though today's my day off. I already went in yesterday, which was my day off as well. Which was Sunday, June 28th. Sometimes I feel like going in on my days off if they let me, and some days I do not feel like it. It just depends. But then I hope you guys keep an eye on the YouTube homepage or for like my community tab posts when I post in the community tab, or keep an eye on the community tab on my YouTube channel. And please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload YouTube videos, upload YouTube shorts, and when I go live on YouTube. And until then, because this is filmed during my time off from YouTube, just so you guys know, hope you guys understand that. So bye guys, peace.